Hey, John Crestani here, and I'm going to show you how to make some serious money online anywhere in the world, no matter what age you are, using the LeadGid affiliate network, which is an international affiliate network that specializes in finance offers. Now, for those of you that don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's a way to make money online without having to spend anything. It's commission-based sales, but on the internet, and finance is the #1 place to make big money. Now, I'll be going into this affiliate network. I'll be explaining how it works, what everything means, and I'll be going through all of the different offers, all the different amounts you can get paid, how to figure out what the best offers are, and I'll be going over some of the more advanced terms such as EPL, Affiliate Manager, and Offer ID, what those terms mean and why they'll be important to your success if you are looking to get into this industry of affiliate marketing. So stay tuned. I'm going to break everything down right here on my computer. Let's get it. Hey, John Crestani here. So excited to get into this affiliate network, LeadGid, which is a pretty interesting affiliate network. They have a lot of different offers. Now, I'll be going over this affiliate network, but if you want to follow through, if you want to apply and join this affiliate network or any of the other affiliate networks that I've talked about on this channel, go to johncrestani.com/networks. Make sure you pause this video, go to this page, whatever you need. And what that'll bring you to is that'll bring you to this Google spreadsheet, which has all of the affiliate networks as well as my #1 recommended affiliate network, Digistore, right up there. And it tells you, which ones are for beginners, which ones are not, and which ones specialize in what. Now, the one we'll be going over right here is the LeadGid affiliate network. This specializes in, not games. I wrote that down wrong. But what's great about this network is it doesn't require any approval to get in, and they have 369 offers. Okay, so finance. How did I write that wrong? They even have big clients such as Citibank. So if you want to work with Citibank as an affiliate, you would want to work through LeadGid, okay? Now, you get people contacting Citibank, a major bank. That's pretty cool, and I'll show you how it works. Now, in order to sign up for this affiliate network, you'll want to take your mouse and go right over here to the sign up button. And also, if you are not watching this on a desktop computer, if you don't have a desktop computer, I have some 12-year-olds watching this, I guess. Guys, get a computer or laptop or something. Get a laptop or some sort of screen. And if you're a kid watching this on a phone and you're watching this on, what is this, portrait mode? Guys, I use a flip phone, by the way. I'm going back in time. Then make sure you move it to landscape mode. And if I just called you out for watching it on portrait mode because you want to scroll through comments, say you just called me out, John, or just say you just got called out. Now, I use flip phones for focus. For those of you wondering, these smartphones are such a distraction, and they're built that way. Now, after you sign up for LeadGid, you will see a bunch of offers, okay? How many did we say? 369 offers. That's a lot of things. Now, how do you select what is the best thing to promote? Well, it's going to really be based on, part of this is going to be based on, I would say, what do you find an affinity for? What languages do you speak? There are products you can sell in Ukraine, in the US, in Colombia, in Mexico, in Ukraine, Russia, Vietnam, all over the world on LeadGid. So there's no shortage of products that you can sell to people anywhere in the world. And the amounts that you'll earn when you get somebody to take the action that they're looking for are right here. It will say 56 UAH. I have no idea what that is. But for here, we see now 10 USA. When they issue a loan to somebody, you get $25. So helping assist people who want loans. I mean, who doesn't want money, right? You're just offering people free money right here, and you get them to sign up. Now, here we have one of the terms that I wanted to discuss, which is EPL. You might be wondering, what does that mean, and how do I get 800 Mexican dollars for EPL? Well, what EPL means is it means earnings per lead, okay? Earnings per lead. Now, the effective word you want to pay attention to here is lead. And that's actually a really good thing generally in affiliate marketing, because it means you don't have to get anybody to actually spend any real money here. So generally speaking, the conversion is going to be a lot easier. It's going to be easier to get somebody's information than to get somebody's credit card. So here you're linking to a page which just is looking for not their money, just their information. And it's going to be easier to get started in affiliate marketing if you just have people filling out information. But for our purposes, because I don't understand Mexican, we're going to look at this offer, which is now 10 USA. So let's click right here and see how we can get our affiliate links. This is called what's called the offer card, and you'll see a description of the campaign here, and you'll see some information from the website. So let's look at the website to see what we'd be selling. So get up to $10,000 in personal loans. Who wants $10,000? Everybody does, right? Payday loans is a great thing to promote right now because there are a lot of people that don't have any money and they need a loan. Everybody wants a loan for something, right? Everybody wants a loan. Everybody wants money. So you can give it to them for free and they just have to fill out information. So you can get people up to $10,000. And when they fill out this form, you get $25. And they even give you some sample information that you could use to promote this here. Request up to $1,500 now. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Now you see that they also talk about the allowed traffic source types: blog, display, email, search, social media, and so, which includes Facebook, Pinterest, all that stuff. And they say you are not allowed to use incentivized traffic, co-reg traffic, or adult traffic. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about what is co-reg traffic. Co-reg traffic is what it is basically you get somebody to register for, maybe you say, hey, do you want money? Sign up for each of these websites, right? Just sort of how I say, sign up for every one of these affiliate networks. That's called co-reg, okay? I'm telling you to sign up for 1 million affiliate networks. Co-reg traffic right there. Would I tell you, don't sign up for a bunch of loan programs and tell somebody to sign up for every one. Apply for loans with every site. They will not pay you money if you do that. And if you're wondering, how do I do any of these things? Maybe you just started on the internet. How do I do a blog? How do I do emails? How do I do search? How do I do social media traffic? Make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button, slam it. Just destroy the subscribe button, hit a like, and when you go down at the bottom of my channel, after you subscribe, you will see all of my free traffic methods right here. And these are all the free traffic methods that I've gone over that I can possibly think of. I keep getting requests for more free traffic methods, but this is it, folks. That's all the free traffic methods. We show you on Facebook, on DeviantArt, on email. We show you multiple email ways: Craigslist, Google, YouTube, Quora, Twitter, ads, free ads, Instagram, etc. So all the methods are listed out right here for you. If you want to get started, make sure you subscribe and then scroll down on my channel to where the free traffic methods are, and you'll get what you're looking for. Go through all of those videos and take action on every single one of them. And if they don't work for one offer, because in these videos I teach you how to promote my product, which I suggest everyone do. We have a great funnel. We paid out $2.5 million last year alone to our affiliates that have been promoting us. So many of you are subscribers. Thank you all so much for your support. Happy to pay you guys the money. You can use these same methods for any of the programs that are on any affiliate network. Now, to get started and to get your links, you have the information right here. We're back on Lead Gid, and we're just gonna click approve. We're gonna click circle and then start, and here we go. And you'll see after you click that button, you get your affiliate link. And this is the link that you will take and you will use if you are using my free traffic methods, for instance. So you'll see a couple other options here in the promotion of this offer. You can select a couple different domains, leadgid.com. Maybe you can say sub ID, you say Craigslist, message 1, image 2, right? This might be the way you set up a link. And then you have your long link right here, right? And it says AFSUB, Craigslist, message 1, sub 2, image 2. This is a way us as affiliate marketers, you can track things. So let's say you're sending out messages or using any of my methods. If you are testing multiple messages or multiple images or multiple videos, whatever you're trying out, I suggest you put in your sub IDs or you put in your information here so then you can tell what worked best. Because what you'll find in marketing is that 9 out of 10 of the things that you try fail, but 1 will work. And if you're not able to effectively figure out what was the image or the ad or the text or the conversation or whatever you did that worked, then it's going to be very difficult for you to get better because you never know what worked and what didn't. You're just taking action. So taking action plus optimization equals money, okay? Lots of it. And that's really been my process. People, you might think I'm a good marketer and I don't know, maybe I'm all right after 11 years, but really all of my success is from taking action, throwing stuff against the wall, and then looking at the data and just optimizing and just improving on the winners, cut the red, grow the green, as I call it. So you could use any of these links. And I'm not going to really get into postbacks, but it's a way for tracking. It's advanced. You have to buy software. It's expensive, right? Or you have to be a programmer to understand how to use these. I always use software. And this is just a way to track things at scale. Now, last but not least is I'm going to walk you through, what does affiliate manager mean? Here it says my affiliate manager, Nikita, and it gives me his Telegram or his email or whatever. And what this is this is somebody that you can message at affiliate networks that will help you out. They're not going to train you. So if you don't know how to get traffic, they're not going to show you how. If they knew how to get traffic, they wouldn't be an affiliate manager. Affiliate managers are there to help make sure your links are posted or to tell you what the best offers are or, other helpful information like that. But really, affiliate managers are not going to train you. And please do not message any of these people asking them to tell you how to do affiliate marketing, or else nobody here on this channel will ever get accepted. You'll get banned from the network. You'll get blocked. You'll be put on a blacklist. No affiliate network will ever accept you anywhere in the world ever again. You keep messaging these guys. Basically, I am here helping you get onto the affiliate networks. Okay, so I want all of my subscribers to really be considerate of their affiliate manager's time and not overload them with questions about getting traffic specifically, because you're going to waste their time. You are supposed to know how to get traffic, and I teach that in my free traffic methods after you sign up. There we go. Hope you enjoyed this video. I am trying to keep it real with you guys, going through affiliate networks, walking you through them. Let me know what else you'd like to see next. Again, if you say free traffic methods, I'm gonna censor you from YouTube or something. No, I'm not gonna censor you from YouTube. It's just annoying. Everybody's like, free traffic, more free traffic. I already did them all. But make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit the notification bell because I've started doing these Monday morning live streams. I don't know if you've been on them. I do it Monday morning in US time. And they've been a lot of fun. I actually spent an hour this Monday going on my live stream. I also encourage you folk to join our affiliate communities. You'll see that below my videos, we have a description. We have a Discord community. So I suggest you get on there. Again, I'm not going to be able to respond to all y'all's messages. A lot of you say, hey, John, talk to me, give me money. I get so many beggars. It's out of control. You want to talk to people, go on Discord, okay? You want to talk to other affiliates, go on Discord. If I have free time, I'm going to spend it with my wife. I'm going to spend it with my kids. I'm going to spend it with my dogs. I'm going to spend it with my kittens. I'm not going to spend it responding to messages, being your buddy, being your mentor, telling you everything's okay. I'm putting all that information on YouTube for your benefit. So check that out. Also, if you want a funny blast from the past, if you want to know how I got started, check out our community posts on YouTube. I posted up my resume from when I got started so you can kind of see what I looked like way back when, before the beard, before the millions, and all that jazz. So thanks for being on here. Like, subscribe, comment. Talk to you soon. Peace.